So you're considering sharing your internet activity with an accountability partner. Good for you. I'm Steve Dwyer, founder of Edify Hub, and I remember how big of a decision it was for me to open myself up to that kind of transparency. In this video, I'll share with you the software I found to help me keep myself accountable with my internet activity. It's called Accountable2You, and this video series shows you how to set it up. First, visit edifyhub.com/accountability. Click on Accountable2You, then click Get Started. If you're looking for a monitoring and accountability solution for your whole family, or for a church, small group, or business, go back to edifyhub.com/accountability to find other videos on setting up those accounts. Right now, I'm going to show you how you'll set up an individual account to monitor your own personal activity on up to 6 devices. Click the Try It Free button to sign up for the individual plan. Enter your personal information, time zone, and country. Enter the username and password that you'll use to log on to Accountable2You in the future. When you're all done here, click Continue. Accountable2You will be watching your internet activity and storing it so your accountability partners can see it. It may be worth taking the time to read through their legal agreements to see what they collect and what they do with that data. We won't take the time to do that right now, though. Of course, I'm sure you'll read it carefully. When you're satisfied, check the I agree box and click Continue again. Decide whether you want the consistency of monthly billing or the discount for annual billing after your free trial is done. Enter your credit card information and click Create Account. And now you have an account with Accountable2You. Before we connect your devices and share with your accountability partners, check your inbox for a verification email to confirm your setup. Click the Verify Email Address button. Finally, proceed to the dashboard. You have 2 steps left. You need to install the Accountable2You software on your computers and mobile devices, and you need to set up your accountability partners. If you're going to set up the same accountability partners to monitor all of your devices, then it's actually slightly faster to set up your partners before installing the software, but it doesn't really make that much difference. If you'd like to install the software next, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/install. If you'd like to set up your accountability partners next, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/partners.